Nice and lovely, guys. So basically, I'm gonna give you a nice lovely tea which you can have in the morning, very early. We're talking about something like this. Alright? Yeah. Early morning lemon tea. Alright, so basically squeeze a half of a lemon inside of the water, inside of a cup like this. Once you have a nice lovely cup like this at home, and then put a cup of teaspoon of honey inside of it. Alright, pinch of apple cider vinegar, and some hot water from a kettle. Honestly, this one is no normal drink, guys. Honestly, this one is a drink which you want to make at home. Then we're gonna put a little bit of cayenne pepper inside of it. So we got honey, apple cider vinegar, cayenne pepper, and lemon. Tell me, guys, what more do you want in the morning before anything else? Alright? So please enjoy that, subscribe to the YouTube channel, leave a comment, tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. We have a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team, and that one is exactly what Chef Ricardo been talking about. Weight loss and detoxing your body, cleanse the immune system in the morning before breakfast. Alright? So thank you for watching, and I will see you next time in the kitchen with a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas from Chef Ricardo and the team. Don't forget to click in the notification bell and tell a friend. Alright, see you next time. Very easy one. Bye bye.